Hello my friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will introduce you this microwave and I will show you what it is inside. Um, but before that, can you please write a comment and what do you think? This is a microwave? Are you sure it's a microwave? I don't think so. So I will show you in a few seconds what exactly it is. Okay, I am back. So this is the microwave that I already told you. Uh, it looks like this on the front, and it looks like a microwave. Yeah, you still have time to write a comment and tell me what it is before I will open and show you what is inside. So now let's open the case and let's see what it is. So I'll take out the case and so, oh my god, inside doesn't look like a microwave, the components of a microwave. As you can see on the top here, uh, this is a hard disk, an SSD from SanDisk. It have 256 gigabytes, yeah, and under there is a power supply. This is the cable for power supply, and here it's a speaker. So doesn't look like a microwave. And let me turn this on like this. And under the power supply, there is two hard drive. One is 500 gigabytes, and the other one it's 1 terabyte. And there are some cables. For what do you think there are that cables? So let me turn to the other side. There is the other cables here, a lot of cables under, and another speaker. Mm. And as you can see, this is not a normal microwave. This is something different. But I will put the case back and I will switch the camera uh, to see from the front of the microwave, and I will show you exactly what it is and what I created. So stay tuned and switch the camera right now. Okay, uh, I just switched the camera, so now you can see the microwave from the front. Um so it looks like a normal microwave, and but it's not. Uh, Let me open the inside of the microwave and see what it is. So as you can see, inside there is a motherboard, a video card, and other components behind of this. And here there is a screen, and there is the components of the screen. I will turn on the screen. This is the monitor, and now let's turn the microwave. So yeah, I did a computer all in one computer inside of a microwave with everything what you need. There is two speakers inside. There is a Wi-Fi and also the stick for a wireless mouse and a wireless keyboard. So yeah, uh, so it's a fully working computer. Actually, you can listen music, and I will put a song on YouTube. It's a song that I will not receive any copyright. So let's play, and you'll listen. So yeah, you can listen music with no problem. You can also browsing on Google, and I will show you something very nice that I think that you never did before, and I don't think you will do in the future. So I bet you never played uh, Need for Speed on a microwave. So this is how you play Need for Speed on a microwave. I hope you like it. And yeah, this is my new toy that I will play on it. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. And see you in the next video with another crazy project that I have in my mind. Thank you and bye bye.